Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is our very first video, and in this video we are going to discuss about the best combination of a gaming friendly PC within 23,000, which we feel is a highly reasonable amount to opt for a gaming PC in India. So let's start, folks. First comes the cabinet. It would be smart for you to get the cabinet in and around 1.6K, which comes with an SMPS included. And now we have some good options from which you can choose. Next comes the motherboard of the PC. We went for this Gigabyte motherboard because it supports AMD processors smoothly, and also that it has got an integrated graphics. It comes with a good number of 6 USB ports, of which 3 are of 3.1 version. Now comes the heart of the CPU, the processor. There are two options over here, AMD and Intel. We decided to go with the AMD because it has more value for money than Intel for a gaming friendly PC. It has 4 cores clocked at 3.4 GHz. You can also boost it up to 3.45 GHz with XFR. Now, what makes a gaming PC complete is the graphics card. We opted for this particular graphics card model because it has DDR5 memory type, much better than DDR3. It is a core clocked at 954 MHz, which is sufficient to play games like Battlefield 1, Hitman 2016, GTA 5 and many more at low-medium settings. Now is the RAM. AData and Kingston are the two popular brands and manufacture well-optimized devices, so we decided to go with them. At last comes the hard drive, and as you would have expected, we have gone for the two popular brands WD-1TB or Seagate 1TB. That's it guys, thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it.